Today on Steve and Audra.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Dang, man. I get this feeling in the nether regions like, oh my goodness.
Well, I think we're officially in the middle of nowhere, North Carolina. We are on our way to meet some new friends, Jen and Eric, and we're really looking forward to it. We're going to do some hiking with them, check out their van. I think it'll be a lot of fun.
Then we have Van and White over here. Hey, how many logs do you think are on that truck?
Tell us your guess in the comments below. What do you think?
If you guess the right number, we'll send you a box of 800 toothpicks.
Well, I think we're officially in the middle of nowhere, North Carolina. We just left Virginia. We are on our way to meet some new friends, Jen and Eric from Defining Adventure on Instagram, and we're really looking forward to it. We're going to do some hiking with them, check out their van. I think it'll be a lot of fun.
Eric just got out of prison, so he's enjoying the time off.
Don't listen to him. Just kidding, Eric. So when we started this trip, there were no sounds in our van. It was actually fixed from doing the cabinet doors and some caulking. But now with all these bumpy roads and twists and turns, we have a lot of squeaking again.
Quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Here we are. There it is. Jen and Eric's awesome Ford Transit. There's Defining Adventure. Hi guys.
All right, guys, I know you're worried since I'm as old as I am and as fat as I am, but Eric promised me he knows CPR.
I do. Just rusty. It's like, no, you can still breathe, you're not choking. Yeah, our side is as well. It's all right, it was on camera. I wonder if it's blocked off because they don't want people coming back here. Hey, it should be a sign. Gonna show behind that backdrop.
Different area. Get our workout for the day.
This is a Karen if I've ever seen one.
I never even knew what that was.
We just learned it like a week ago.
Yep, it is. It explains where you're on the right path to know that
Oh.
you keep on going.
Gotcha.
How you doing?
Hi.
Good.
Okay.
I would highly recommend following me.
Yeah.
Blind following the blind. Oh, that is cool.
so fun. It's so freeing.
Yeah.
Why is nobody else like pouring sweat?
Oh, I
Yeah, he always.
I made it.
I sweat easy when I'm in shape. Now that I'm terribly out of shape, forget it.
You're not sweating, you're not trying. I'm sweating.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Wow.
The saw.
Look at this.
Now we're gonna do more pictures again.
Oh yeah. Faux show.
Look at
Oh,
that.
nice. Look at that.
Dang, man.
It was awesome before, but this is really awesome. I want you to go over. I want you to jump over there.
I get this feeling
This is
in the nether regions, like, oh my goodness.
Another region's up.
Yeah.
I want you to go out there and stand on that peak.
That's about as close to the edge as I'm getting.
What's your rating?
5 vans for sure. Ding dong. I don't know that I'd go any further. As long as you don't fall off.
Heck, 50 cents if you jump in. That's fine.
Here, I'll jump in. I'll just jump into the shallow part. Ready?
Oh,
There you go. You
well,
didn't say
man, your
where.
feet are going to be cold.
Yeah, I'll jump in there. I bet this is pretty in the spring when the rhododendrons are blooming. It's all rhododendron. We have Jen's coffee bar here. She's brewing up some coffee for us.
You gotta decide which one you want. Do you want French
Steve, what
roast?
kind?
Do you want Colombian? Or do you want donut shop?
Donut shop. Please and thank you.
The van will light
Our-
up.
More space for more junk.
Yeah, right. Thank you.
He's particular with how much creamer, so.
What kind
Yeah.
of establishment is this? You?
Now you got a tipper.
Drive slow.
How many vans?
5 vans.
For Jen's coffee.
Jen's coffee shop.
We highly recommend it. So we're hanging out here with Jen and Eric, defining adventure, right?
That's correct.
Is their Instagram. I think they found us first on YouTube and then we connected on Instagram. And they also have a Ford Transit. What kind is yours?
2020 Ford Transit, high roof, extended, all-wheel drive. That's pretty much it.
What, do you have a favorite thing from your build
This,
so far?
right here. I just love. Because it's unique. And it's got a lot of storage and a lot of room. We're not done yet, so here, attachment here. We still got to put lights up underneath it and storage.
It's very sharp looking.
But I feel like I've got enough space.
Yep. My favorite area is right where I'm sitting.
Yeah.
I like this area. I mean, it's got a it's the table on the lagoon mount, and it's a little tight, but I like how I just like how it comes out, and we made it so that you can rotate it different configuration. Use it from the front seat, which also turns around. Both our front seats swivel. But yeah, I love sitting here. I find myself sitting here thinking about the build.
Yeah.
And what's going to be next, and she'll be sitting up in the front. And eventually this is going to be a bench that's going to have a toilet in it for temporarily. We have our toilet elsewhere.
Similar size to that.
Similar, a little bit taller and a little bit wider. It's going to be big enough that you can house a toilet in.
Yeah. All right, and so you guys bought the van when?
In January.
Of 2020.
Yep. We were like the last, I think like seriously, like the last 2020 Ford Transit to be built. And so we picked it up in January in 2021 and then kind of used it recreationally for road trips with air mattress.
When we bought our van, the very first thing we did was put in the bed. And then we took some trips, and I'm so glad we did, because our initial plan was to build, get it all done. But I'm glad we took our time with it, because in the process we learned, okay, this original idea isn't practical, or isn't really what we're going to need. Our floor plan changed quite dramatically. So I'm glad we just kind of figured it out.
I'm with you. And then so we started off slow and kind of pecked away at the build, and then got really serious around August and September.
Okay.
So it's been about 5 months of building. Thank you. And yeah, so it started off slow and it's gotten a lot better.
What's your least favorite thing about the van and van
My
life?
least favorite now is we don't use it enough. Like, I can't wait until we're going, but not. I don't want to get sick of it, but I need more of it.
Yeah. Where have you guys talked about where you want to go?
Out west.
Yeah.
We've got the Epic Pass, so we're going to do a lot of skiing this year. So I think around mid next month, which is be November, we'll probably head up to the Northeast first, hit that area up, hit up our family in New Jersey and Connecticut while we're doing that, and then come back home, check on the house, and then go back out west. That's kind of like how I think things might work. So we'll come back home, be home for the holidays, for December, Christmas, and New Year's, and then head out, do some out west skiing for a few months, I hope.
That'd be great. It'd be fun to watch what you guys do, where you go.
I know.
So we had a great time hiking with Jen and Eric and seeing their van today. It was really great getting to know them a little bit. Hoping to see them again on the road.
Yep. And definitely.
Anytime you're coming through the area, don't hesitate to reach out, and that goes for anybody really. You can find us on Instagram, Defining Adventure. Hit us up. We're more than happy to meet up with people. Always look to share our experiences and go have new experiences with other people, just like we do with you. And I hope we get to do it again. It was a pleasure meeting you guys.
A little behind the scenes action here, setting up the photo shoot. And then
I'm good.
Then we have Vanna White over here.
So that was a really great time with Jen and Eric. We're so glad we got to meet up with them. Make sure to check them out on Instagram at Defining Adventure. It was a really fun day hiking and checking out a new spot. If you enjoyed the video, make sure as always to hit that like button and leave us a comment.
I'm curious to know in the comment section what your favorite color is.
Favorite color. Let us know, favorite color. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and we hope to see you next time. Guess who we found?
Hey!
Somebody turned off the heat outside.
I wondered if you recognized it.
We pulled up and we're like, oh no, they're not here. And they were like, let's check inside.
We enjoyed your
Yeah.
Video? Today we saw 77. We're like, oh, we're gonna go see.
Yeah, well, we're here.
We want to give a special shout out to Christina Williams, our first official financial supporter who clicked that thanks button that you can find below. She watches faithfully every week. Christina, we appreciate it so much. Thank you. We hope to see you next time.
Bye.
See ya.
Toodaloo.
Adios.
Goodbye.